Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're checking the washer fluid on our '07 Mazda 3 2.0 liter. I'm going to show you where it's located and top it off. If you need any parts for your car, head on over to 1aauto.com. Hood release is located right here. Safety latch is right above the Mazda symbol, right in the center. You just turn it over to the right. And then you have the hood prop rod, and you put it in where the arrow goes and says rod, right in there and lock it in. Here we have our washer fluid. This particular model has a yellow cap. You can tell by the symbol, it looks like a windshield with the water squirting at it. That's for your washer fluid. I would pull that completely out if I was going to add, and I'd pour it right in. You just add your tube back in, snap it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.